Welcome to Elevate Your Career with Confidence. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Mostly, thank you for commenting. And if you have any information that you want to ask me, comment down below. And I would love to answer you all about your questions. So, in this video, I'll be helping you on how you can recover your student number at VUT, known as Val University of Technology. So without me wasting your beautiful time, let's do that. Firstly, you're going to use the link that I've used here, and it's going to take you to this page, which is the Val University of Technology. If you're applying for the first time, you use that option on your left hand side, but in this case we are dealing with forgotten student number or forgotten PIN. Okay, so you're going to first press forgotten student number. So you're going to have identification types, which is your ID, your passport, and your email. At this instant, I don't want to use my email, my ID, or anyone's ID, so I'm going to select an email. So when you select an email, you should put your original email that when you were applying, you used that email. That is the email they want here. But for this, I am just going to create an email that I don't know. For the sake of this video, I'm going to just create an email. And after putting in the right email for yourself, you're going to press search. And it's going to say, and a student number was sent to this email. But mine, you see, because it's not a real one. So yes, you go back, you put your student number in your PIN. But again, if you forgot your PIN, you first have to put your student number. After, you have to say request a PIN or forgot a PIN. You see, because I did not put a student number, it says not enough information, in red, not enough information, because you need to put something here for them to be able to send you your PIN. So guys, firstly put in your student number and then request a PIN or say forgot a PIN, and that's all. You will log in. I hope you understood all this information, and I hope all this information was very useful to you. Please guys, if you know a matric student, or if you know someone who is in matric or is trying to apply, guys, plug them. Just show them my channel. They will apply for themselves. You don't even have to show them how to do it. Like, you don't have to, I don't want to show or reveal, but I've been getting messages from Instagram that I have been struggling for the past, I don't know how many years, trying to go to school with no knowledge that there was NSFAS that can take me to school, that there was, I passed very well, but that person was telling me, I passed so good, but I just did not have the knowledge. So guys, sharing information does not take away anything from you. Does not, like, let's love each other, let's share information with one another, because it will never take anything from you. Like, you're not even using 1 rand, okay, maybe your data or whatever, your time, but helping someone, even in the Bible says give and it will be given back to you. So if you do it because you want to help someone, it's gonna be given back to you. So let us help each other, let us help one another become successful, and we become a better generation. You understand? So thank you so much guys for watching, for liking, and for subscribing. Please keep on subscribing. I'm on a road to 1,000 subscribers, and I see you guys that are watching. I appreciate you all. I don't know, I'm gonna call you guys I don't know what to call you guys, but I'll think of a name. But like, okay, people know me as Coco, but obviously because of Confidence, which is my name, so like Coco, I don't want to call you guys my Elevate with Coco. Yeah, I think I can call you my Cocos. I don't know, I'll figure out a name for you guys. I'll make up a name for you guys. But for those of you that keep on coming back and returning, I love you so much, and I appreciate you, and I thank you all so much. without wasting your time, please subscribe, and don't forget to go on my main channel, and also please don't forget to go on my Instagram, just if you have any other questions, and go subscribe to my main channel. Don't just go and watch, also subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want. It's gonna be a beautiful, this is where you get to know the real me on this channel. Here it's just educational stuff, and there it's my life as Coco, you understand? So thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.